Hey everybody, Chad at Turner's Warehouse, and today I want to tell you my 5 favorite pen making accessories and tools for the pen maker you know, or maybe yourself. Number 5 is the sanding jig and punch set. Now the sanding jig is made right here in Arizona by us at Turner's Warehouse. It's perfect for any punch set that you may already have, or you can pick one up, and it allows you to square the ends of your delicate blanks without any worry. The sanding jig goes on your disc sander from size 4 up to size 22. Any size disc sander will work, and it's $22.99. Number 4 is the Tenin Cutter set. This is the Jim Hines designed Tenin Cutter. I use this for custom pen making, and I've even recently heard that some pipe makers are using this, so that's pretty cool. The Tenin Cutter set comes with all the bushings from 9 to 15, so if you want to get into pen making, custom pen making that is, the Tenin Cutter is a must-have. The full set sells for $149.99. Number 3 is the Coronet Falcon system by Record Power. Now Record Power products have been in a lot of my lists lately, and it's for good reason. This Coronet Falcon set is kind of like 4 live centers in one. You've got the open live center, the 60-degree point live center, the spur, the pen mandrel saver is why it made the pen list, and of course the extended point. So this live center you can use for pen making, which is why it's on this list, but it works great for so many other things that it's a must-have, and if you're going to get a good quality live center, it should do multiple things like this. The Falcon set is normally $89.99, but right now it's on sale for the holidays at $79.99, so I would recommend picking one up. Number 2 on the list is the Milescraft Pen Press. This is the 4701. This is the pen press I recommend to everyone. It's my favorite. If you're doing any kind of quantity making pens, you need a good quality pen press, and this is my favorite. The Milescraft Pen Press is $59.99. All right, number 1 tool on my list of 5 favorite pen making tools is probably very odd and seems weird, but it is very overlooked. This is a chamfering de-burring tool, perfect for peeling that lip off the inside of your tubes, as well as if you're custom pen making, you can use it to chamfer your Alumilite pen parts that you make. So it's really nice. The chamfering tool comes in a couple of sizes. This one is $16.99. You can easily replace the head if it wears out, although I've never worn one out. But it's a great tool. The chamfering and deburring tool is number 1 at $16.99. Those are my 5 favorite pen making tools right now. Thanks for watching.